Muraro is cleaning them. It's the last day. Ay, the weather now, guys, is I think it's almost 1 week. No sunshine. It's very cold. Huh?
It's already 7.
Yeah, it's already 7.
Time is 1.
Yeah. Yung kangkong dito, guys, ang I think it will be sunshine today. I don't know. Oh, yung mga nalabhan namin ilang araw na hindi pa dry. Let me hang this cloth outside, guys, because there is sunshine now. So, it's 30 minutes from now, Muraro will and Jeria will go home na. Jeria is throwing rubbish there. Ay, there is sunshine na, but it will cover later. Ito yung nabili namin kahapon na bagong notebook, guys. 4 ata. Kasi kulang daw. They are waiting the driver. I know. They are waiting the uncle to pick. Enjoy. Victoria is preparing things to go home. Ay, it's so sad. Going back to the school. What are you saying, Muraro?
When I come back from school, I think I will plan to buy a phone.
You want to buy a phone? That is good.
For the means.
Yeah. Binilat ko ditong corn, guys. Hapit na mag 1 week. Yung sun. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to eh.
Remove the video, you take a photo first.
Outside. Okay, take a... Okay. Is that okay, that side?
I think this is
Pa-picture muna daw siya. Now it's okay.
goodbye to our sponsors. Now we are okay. We are ready back to school. Bye.
Hello, good morning, sponsors. Now I'm okay in school. Goodbye.
We're going back to the village now.
I'm back to the village.
Yeah, and to the place of your...
Oh, I'm going home.
Yeah, and then tomorrow you
And
go...
tomorrow I'm going to school. Thank you for helping me.
Bye. Uwi na to sila ngayon, guys. They are preparing to go home. Na. What? Go home na. They will ride the Buddha Buddha guys going to a window because our driver is waiting there. The driver cannot enter now here because he will pay 500 for that. When he passed this side. So we wait the Buddha Buddha here. Yeah. I think there's Buddha Buddha coming this side.
How much? Boda bro.
50.
Anda mata.
You pay only.
Anda mata.
Yeah, you can ride Matatu 50 also. It's the same. It's not full. It's full because the conductor is hanging there. It's full. They will quiz you inside. This is how they ride Matatu guys. So, hindi pala full. Okay. Go. Bye. Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
At the March, end of March.
Tingnan ko muna si Bella, baka nagising na yun guys. Yung daan dito kasi umuulan. Ayun guys, umuwi na sila ni Muraro at Jeria sa village, tapos bukas pasukan na ni Nigeria at the next day pasukan ni Muraro. Ayun guys, madami mga kailangan si Jeria sa school. May bayaran daw na 1,000 Kenyan shilling of 500 pesos for remedyo. To know remedyo, they say that he is like especially teaching in the morning. Sabi ko, sabihan mo yung father mo na to pay your remedyo and the pocket money. Kahapon guys, nagpunta kami doon sa town. So, pinakain ko sila. Tapos, namili din kami ng mga kailangan din niya. Yung box, may 4 pa na box. Tapos, yung slippers. At, ano pa yun? Yung mga batso, mga personal gamit niya. Binilahan ko din. Yun, wala na. Ubos na pera ko. Sabi ko, yung ano mo, yung pocket money mo, mag-ask ka sa father mo. Kahit pocket money mo man lang. Kasi may ano pa, sabi pa niya na yung school daw o yung skirt need pa ng isang uniform na para pang sabat daw nila. He need again 950. That is for 50 peso, 400 peso. Iba din yung sa remedyo. Basta estudyante guys, no? Madami palang estudyante, madaming bayaran. Wala pa nga akong estudyante pero parang nai-stress na ako. Kasi parang ako na yung nagsasagubang guys. Nagsagubang sa sa mga lahat-lahat. Kahit hindi ko naman siya responsibilidad. Tinutulungan ko na lang kung saan tayo hanggat kaya. Kasi yung parents din wala. Pag may pera ko guys, okay naman, maitutulong ako. Yung kahapon, yung pinakain ko sila, para ma-experience din nila ba na yung city life. They will experience city life, even is once. Diba kasi, ano natin pag, parang hindi natin to na-experience or parang masaya sa ating loob na Why is a nice things like that? Yung ganun guys ba na yung kasi di ba alam natin yung feeling pag wala tayo, parang yung wala tayo ba, pag wala tayo na may gusto tayong bibilihin, may gusto tayong ganyan, kasi alam natin yung feelings ba, kaya sinashare ko sa kanila para din ma-experience nila ganun. Para din kasi akong naawa ba. Naawa ko kahit wala pa din kami. Kahit may marami pa kaming kailangan sa buhay namin mag-asawa guys, pero okay na lang. Kay mas maawa ka pa sa kanila sitwasyon. Kung ganun ba. Mga matalino pa naman yung mga bata at saka mga hardworking gustong mag-aral. Yun yung magandang paaralin. Yan, tatanggapin ko na talaga guys na obligado ko na talaga yung bata. Kasi nakakaawa din eh. Ganun ba? Tatapusin ko muna yung paghugas ko ng pinggan guys. Natulog pa si baby.
Umuulan na naman ngayong hapon guys. Oh. Ay. Wait. Aya, you have to see the camera. Wow. Sira yung galing na. Sa amin. Dito kami ni Bella sa market. Umili ako ng talong guys for 100 or 50 peso. Apat, tatlo, 10 peso.
This is too much. Hmm?
Or I put all. Luto kami guys. Siya luto ng ugali. Ako, Kels.